guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare Lasuni Palak, that is the dhaba style palak. Let's see how to make it. What I have done is I have taken the palak, that is the spinach, and I will allow it to boil again like how I have done it earlier, and I will even add green chilies along with it. I have taken a big bunch of palak, so only for that I have taken only 3 green chilies. Immediately I have, now since the palak is cooked, immediately I have added little cold water, and you can see that the green color is retained. I have taken a pan, and in the pan I have heated oil, mustard oil, 2 big heap of tablespoon of mustard oil. I allowed it to heat it well, and once it is heated, then I will sprinkle little salt so that the pungent smell of the mustard oil will leave. And then I've added little cumin seeds. After the cumin seeds splutters well, I've added the onions. And you can see that the onions are getting cooked well, and there is no that pungent smell of the mustard oil too. As the onions are getting cooked, I've added little ginger garlic paste, and I will fry till the raw smell goes from this. Now you can see that I have added 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and kasuri methi just half teaspoon, and garam masala is half teaspoon again, and I will fry it well in the oil. Now for the taste I've added the coriander powder, it is 1 tablespoon, and also gram flour, chana dal, that is 1 tablespoon, and you can see that this ground flour will give a nutty flavor to this dhaba style paneer, palak paneer. I have added now tomato puree of 3 small tomatoes to give the gravy a little thick texture. Now you can see that I have coarsely grind the palak, little palak of it, and you can see that the texture is not smooth, it is coarsely grind. You can see that I have added the paneer and I allow it to cook now, and then I will add the puree, palak puree. Once the puree is added, you can see allow it to cook, let it leave the oil. Once it leaves the oil and floats on top, then you can see that your palak is ready to be served. But before that, the last tadka of the lasun. Okay, the lasun is nothing but the garlic. So once you give the garlic tadka, the seasoning of it, then the dhaba style palak will be ready to be served. I've added the little milk cream. You can see that the milk cream is there. It gives a lovely flavor as well as the texture to this palak paneer. Now for the seasoning, I have added oil in a small pan, and I have added jeera, that is cumin seeds, and garlic, which will fry well, as well as the chilies. Red chilies I have added 3 to 4 red chilies, and I will add a pinch of red chili powder so that it goes in that to give that perfect dhaba look. This is the final palak, lasuni palak dhaba style. I have seasoned it also. You can see the red chilies there, floating there. Okay, the oil is also leaving, perfect for the dhaba style palak paneer. Do like my channel, do subscribe, and like my channel too. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel and watch my videos till end. Thank you.